So the question of the day is, was the SR71 Blackbird stealth? Now, let's get something out of the way. Stealth does not make an aircraft invisible. It just reduces detection time and makes it more difficult to get a weapons-grade solution. Now, they did include some stealth features. The paint was radar-absorbing material, or RAM. It was a primitive version of iron ball paint, pretty much what it sounds like. A bunch of small iron granules mixed into a paint. Also, the engineers did everything they could to eliminate corner reflectors. A corner reflector is just a 90-degree angle where radar can bounce off one face, then hit the other face and go straight back to the source. This is why the SR71's vertical stabilizers are canted inboard. But the SR71 is not a true stealth aircraft. That did not come until the F-117. The SR71 only reduced radar signature through reducing reflections. At that time, they did not know how to reduce refractions, which is part of the reason why the aircraft does not have changes in conductivity over the surface, and why there are circular objects on it which allow the radar to loop around and return back to the source. They also attempted to hide the radar signature of the exhaust using a cesium additive, though this was negligible in terms of the effect on the aircraft's stealth. If I remember to put it on screen, you can also see that the wings entirely had composite wedges filled with radar-absorbing material. So, to put a number on the SR71 stealth, I found a source that said it had a RCS of approximately 10 square meters, but my own calculations said that from all practical angles, it had an RCS of 12.2 square meters. So the RAM is doing something, but nothing spectacular. And I used the radar wavelength for an SA2 battery, search radar.